I gotta show you guys something that I did that I thought was pretty cool. New series, Behold My Genius. Behold my genius. Okay, Joe, so what's your genius frickin' idea this time, right? So, you ever had a time where you have to put one of these things in and, you know, they're a pain. You get the wrench out, you put it in through here, and you turn and turn and turn and turn and turn and turn and turn. You know, it's doing things manually, and, you know, doing things manually is kind of for chumps, right? Am I right? Am I right? So, I figured out a way that I can do this on a power drill. I happened across this, which is a half-inch drive breaker bar, cheer bar, whatever you want to call them, Armstrong bar. I got this at an auction. It was in a pile of junk, and it popped in my head that maybe, just maybe, I could figure out a way to use that to drive them. So what I did, got a reducer down to 3/8 and a 3/8 extension, put those together, and away she goes. So then you try to do one of these where you put it in your drill. And doing this with one hand is always interesting, so pardon that. Forward. Yes, forward gear is better when you're trying to drive things. Alright, so we've got spinach. It's not pretty, not spinach, but spinach. It's not pretty, but it's there. So what we're going to do first, I should have pre-drilled the hole. I'm going to pre-drill the hole. As you can see, I of course missed the stud on the first shot, which means I'm right on the edge of it, which isn't the best thing for putting something in that's meant to carry a little bit of weight. We'll see. If she fails, then we do it again. A little bit more onto the stud. This I need two hands for, so we're going to set you down here. Oh, ugly, 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 I know. But here we go. So, drill bit out. Oddball attachment for breaker bar in. Then you just line them up. Legazole. And you line that up. You'll have to hold it for the first little bit. Just carefully get her started in the pilot hole. And once you got her started, that goes pretty nice. Now, you're probably asking why I have two hooks so close together, and that's valid. It's because I'm going to be hanging something weight bearing off of this, and when you're not sure if it's going to be holding the weight or you're not sure what you're going to be hanging off it, you tend to, where are they? There we go. You tend to double things up. So, no kill like overkill, right? You can probably tell from a lot of my references, I watch or I play a lot of Borderlands 2 and watch a lot of AVE. I hope you know AVE's channel is amazing. I think doobly doo. Right. So yeah, that's my genius moment. I don't know if I'd call this a quick and dirty tip, but I'm liking the Behold My Genius. Let me know what you think. Give me a comment. Peace.